Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create a new supplier in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com website, then click on Login, fill in your login credentials and hit Login. Now that you're inside your Shopify account, go to Products, then select Purchase Orders, then click on this Create Purchase Order button, and under Supplier, click on Select Supplier and go with Create New Supplier. This new window pops up and here you can fill in your new supplier info. In my case, I have these simply info, so I will use them. The region is the US, the address is this one, the apartment suite info. Depending on this address you select here, Shopify helps you complete the other city and state info and also the zip code. And you can always edit them from here manually, just like that. The contact name is this one, and the email address is this one, and the phone number is this one. Now click on this save button after checking your new supplier info. As you can see, new supplier created, and now you can start seeing your new supplier from this list. Before I wrap this video, I want to show you a little useful info to differentiate between what is a supplier and what is a vendor. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. For product management, our products can have only one vendor. On the other hand, with suppliers, products can have multiple suppliers. For the prices, with vendors, products can only have one price, but for suppliers, products can have multiple prices, one price per supplier. For the currency, with vendors, prices are in the currency of your Shopify store, but for suppliers, prices can be in any currency. And for the ordering inventory, you can order only individual units. On the other hand, with suppliers, you can order quantities in pack sizes. And these are the differences between suppliers and vendors in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.